Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to watch your favorite TV show or movie on your phone, but you couldn't? Maybe you were on a long trip and didn't have access to a TV, or maybe you just wanted to watch something in bed before you fell asleep. If so, you're not alone. Many people are looking for ways to watch their favorite content on their phones. We're going to answer the question, can I watch Neon on my phone? We'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of watching Neon on your phone. Neon is a streaming service that offers a variety of TV shows, movies, and documentaries. It's a great option for people who want to watch their favorite content on their phones, tablets, or computers. Neon is available on a variety of devices, including iPhones, iPads, Android phones, and tablets. You can also watch Neon on your computer or smart TV. There are a few different ways to watch Neon on your phone. You can download the Neon app from the App Store or Google Play. You can also watch Neon on your phone's web browser by going to the Neon website. Once you have the Neon app or website open, you can sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're signed in, you can start watching your favorite shows and movies. Neon offers a variety of content, so you're sure to find something you'll enjoy. Pros of watching Neon on your phone. Portable, you can take your phone with you anywhere, so you can watch Neon whenever you want. Convenient, you can watch Neon in bed, on the bus, or anywhere else you have a few minutes to spare. Affordable, Neon offers a variety of subscription plans, so you can find one that fits your budget. Cons of watching Neon on your phone. Small screen, watching Neon on your phone can be a bit challenging if you have a small screen. Data usage, streaming videos can use a lot of data, so you may want to consider using Wi-Fi if you're on a limited data plan. Battery life, watching videos on your phone can drain your battery, so you may need to charge your phone more often. With that said, thanks for watching.